Hey Roblox fans! Tired of lag ruining your experience in your favorite games? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the GearUp Booster app on your phone to make Roblox run smoother. It's super easy, and I'll keep it quick. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Download GearUp Booster. First, open your phone's App Store. That's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone. In the search bar, type GearUp Game Booster. Look for the official app and hit that install button. It's free to download. Step 2, set up the app. Once it's installed, open the GearUp app. You'll see a straightforward home screen. You might be prompted to quickly sign up or log in with your emails. Just follow the simple on-screen steps to get started. Step 3, find Roblox. Now, inside the app, you need to select Roblox. You can scroll through the list of supported games or use the search function. Find and tap on Roblox to select it as the game you want to optimize. GearUp supports tons of games, but we're focusing on Roblox today. Step 4. Pick a server. GearUp will now show you a list of available servers, like ones in the United States, Asia, or Europe. For the best performance, choose a server that's geographically close to you. This reduces distance and lowers your ping. Step 5. Start boosting. After choosing your server, tap the Big Boost or Start button. GearUp will now work its magic to optimize your connection, aiming to lower your ping and stabilize your network. You'll see a screen confirming the booster is active. Step 6. Launch and play Roblox. With GearUp running in the background, you can now launch Roblox. You can either tap the launch game button within the GearUp app or simply open Roblox from your home screen as you normally would. Jump into any game and see the difference. You should notice less lag, smoother movement, and fewer teleporting characters. How it works, quick explanation. GearUp helps by finding a more efficient network path between your phone and the Roblox game servers. It can also help manage your connection when switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Pro tips: if you're still experiencing lag, try selecting a different server within the GearUp app. Make sure to close other background apps to free up your phone's memory and processing power for a better gaming experience. GearUp offers a free trial, so you can test it out yourself to feel the difference before committing to any subscription. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you're ready to play Roblox with significantly less lag. Go have fun, build awesome creations, and dominate your games without interruption. If this guide helped you, please drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!